Hey there, Professor Wiseguy here with another 5-minute fix. This time, I'd like to look at one of the most difficult concepts for a lot of inexperienced writers to grasp: parallelism. Nobody ever praises you for having good parallelism. Instead, they'll just complain, maybe, if you have faulty parallelism, and you're probably left wondering what in the blazes parallelism is. Well, parallelism problems are basically like trying to plug in charger cords that don't match. My computer uses a USB-C, while my phone uses a USB-B plug. They're both perfectly good cords, but you can't use them interchangeably. It doesn't help? Well, maybe this will. Parallelism problems can arise while videoing, essays, and speaking. Wait. There was a parallelism problem in that. Look at those three things. While videoing, it tells us when these problems can arise. It involves an ing verb or a participle. That's okay. But then the next item in the list, essays, is just a noun. The third one then is another verb, a participle, but without the while. Parallelism demands that when we have two or more items stacked up in a sentence, those items need to have the same grammatical form or value. In other words, we want words or phrases that all relate to the sentence in the same way or the parallel way. So how would we fix that sentence? Parallelism problems can arise while videoing, writing essays, and speaking. Now in this case, it is as if the sentence branched off after while. All of the items in the list have that participle form, the ing, and they're all therefore parallel. On the other hand, we could say parallelism problems can arise in videos, essays, and speeches. Now we have three nouns, all of them plural. Let's try another one. The dentist sedates the patient, drilled the tooth, and filled the cavity. All three of these items involve a verb and then an object for that verb, right? But do you notice that the verbs are all in different forms? The first one is in present tense. The second one is in present, but it doesn't work with a single dentist. And then the third one is, for some reason, in past tense. Running, weightlifting, and to ride my bicycle are three of my favorite types of exercise. In that one, the first two items, running and weightlifting, are what we call gerunds. That's an ing verb that's been turned into a noun. So we have two nouns, but then we follow it up with that phrase that includes to ride. Why not bicycle riding? That would be parallel. So how do you fix this problem? Well, first you have to see it, and you can do that by reading the items in the list in a different order. Parallelism problems can arise essays while videoing and speaking. Whoa, I see that problem right away. Well, once you see the problem, fixing it just involves deciding what grammatical form you're going to use and then making them all match. Parallelism problems can arise while videoing, writing, and speaking. All participles, so we're good. Here's another example. Can you see the problem? My favorite methods of being a troll include meaningless comments and sharing sarcastic ideas. Do you see the issue? The first item is just a noun with an adjective. The second one includes that verb, sharing. We can fix it in one of two ways. We can use verbs in both. My favorite methods of being a troll include posting meaningless comments and sharing sarcastic ideas. Or we could use nouns in both. My favorite methods of being a troll include meaningless comments and sarcastic ideas. So the bottom line is this: when you have two or more items that form a list in your writing, be sure they have the same grammatical form. Find these problems by rearranging the items in the list to expose the issues. Make the items in the list match all verbs, all nouns, all phrases, or whatever. Now that's 5 minutes to explain a notoriously difficult concept. If you have good suggestions, you can comment, ringing the bell, or subscribe. See what I did there? Never mind. Just get out of here.